Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to add ICE contract address to Trust Wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, to copy the ICE contract address, you need to go over Chrome, click on Chrome. Once you click on Chrome, now search for BNB ICE contract address. Now select this first option, BNB Smart Chain Explorer. Now just simply copy this contract address. Tap on this copy icon. Once you copy it, now go over your Trust Wallet app. Once you get logged in into your Trust Wallet account, now look at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this plus icon. Again click on it. Now tap on Ethereum and select BNB Smart Chain. This option over here. Now select this BNB Smart Chain. Over here you need to paste your ICE contract address. Once you paste that ICE contract address on Trust Wallet, it will be added on it. Now just simply tap on import. So as you guys can see, ICE contract address has been added on our Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.